As we get into 2021, it's important to note a few dates. One of them is the RRSP deadline. It's March 1st, 2021. Make sure to note that. You need to deposit your money on or before that date in order to be able to deduct the RRSP deposit from your taxable income of 2020. In this video, I'm also going to talk about other pointers, other tips on RRSP, so stay tuned. Hi, I'm Julien, Regoli, CPA CMA Finance Coach. The purpose of my channel is to teach you how to think about money, how to save money, and how to invest money. I have a few videos already on this channel, and I have some more videos coming up. So if you're interested in this kind of topic, sign up to my channel and hit the bell button. You'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Okay, the first thing you need to know is, where do you find, what is your RRSP limit? Where do you find your RRSP limit information? So this can be found in your 2019 Notice of Assessment. Usually, sometimes you get this in a paper format. Sometimes you don't. It doesn't matter if you don't have a paper format. You can always go online. Online, all you do is search for My Account for Individuals. Okay, and you go to the canada.ca website and just log in. If you don't have an account, create one. If you have the app, there's an app that exists called My CRA, and from there you can access your information. You can also call the 1-800 number. I'm going to flash it on the video, so use that number, 1-800-267-6999. Call that number and someone there is going to help you out. When you get your limit, just make sure you account for any contributions you made during the year. So as we said before, the deadline to contribute is March 1st, 2021. Don't over contribute because it's costly, okay? If you put more than the amount allowed, there's a fee of 1% per month, so it gets expensive. Now, the government tolerates up to $2,000 of over contribution. So anything exceeding $2,000 over your limit, you're going to be charged a penalty of 1% per month. So it's kind of expensive. I often get the comment like, are RRSPs risky? Or I'm not going to invest in RRSPs, they're risky. An RRSP is just an account. It's not an investment. It's just an account, and it's a special account because it's registered and it shelters your investment income from taxes. So if you make capital gains, dividends, investment income, interest and all that, it's sheltered from taxes. That's the beauty, one of the big advantages of the registered accounts, like the TFSA, the RRSP, and RESP. All those registered accounts are tax sheltered. Now, the benefit of the RRSP, as you know, is when you put a deposit, you use that amount of the deposit to reduce your taxable income. So basically, you pay less taxes in a year. And a good move is, whatever tax savings you make or you generate out of that RRSP deposit, you put it back and you invest it. You put it into your RRSP. The RRSP is just an account. You can hold any kind of investment in there. You can hold stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs. You can trade options. You can just keep cash in there. The other question I get a lot is, should I contribute to my RRSP or should I contribute to my TFSA? Ideally, you want to maximize all your registered accounts. You want to be maximizing your TFSA, maximizing your RRSP, and maximizing your RESP contributions. But sometimes if you don't have enough money, you're missing, the order is TFSA and then RRSP, especially if you're in the beginning of your career, you're in the early stages of your career, you're starting to build your life, and that's when you start building up your TFSA. And when you're in your higher income earning years, that's when you start contributing. And you've maxed out your TFSA, that's when you start investing into your RRSP. If you're missing some savings, you can always pull out of your TFSA and contribute into your RRSP. That'll generate probably some refund, and that refund you can use it to put it back into your TFSA. So those are my general rules. You build up your TFSAs. Once that's maxed out, you build your RRSP. Another question I get often is, what kind of investments do I put in my RRSPs? As a general rule, you put your more conservative, less risky, less volatile investments in your RRSP, and your more risky, more volatile investments in your TFSA as a general rule. And again, it depends on your life situation, all this, but as a general rule, this is what I recommend. I have videos on RRSPs, TFSAs. I also have a detailed video on when to deposit in your RRSP versus when to deposit into your TFSA. I have a detailed video on RRSPs and I have a detailed video on RRSPs. Check those videos out. They will give you more detail on those registered accounts, how they work, and the mechanisms. So take a look. If you have any questions or comments, drop me a note in the comments area of the video. Also, if there are any other money matter topics that you'd like me to cover, then drop me a note and I'll see if I can make a video on that topic. If you like this video, smash the like button. That's always great. Also, if you think this video could be beneficial to a family member, friend, an acquaintance, please share. Folks, thanks for watching and we'll see you real soon.